Warren Buffett's Management Secrets Number 3. 3 quick tests to identify the best company to work for. Whether or not the company offering you a position is a great business, with a durable competitive advantage, able to take you down the path to a successful career. Number 1. Per share earning test. Per share earnings for a 10-year period will give you a very clear picture if the company has a DCA working in its favor. You should be looking for consistency with an upward trend. An excellent sign of the long-term advantage working for you also. If you find the 10-year test is fluctuating up and down, the company will be operating in a highly competitive environment, prone to boom and bust. To determine the basic earnings per share, simply divide the total annual net income of the last year by the total number of outstanding shares. Repeat this process for the last 10 years. Number 2. The debt test. Companies that make a lot of money don't need to carry high debt loads. They have the cash flow to pay high wages to weather any recession or downturn. A general rule is a debt load in excess of 5 times its net earnings is a warning, indicating it does not have a durable competitive advantage. Debt levels can be found in a company's balance sheet. You can calculate it by dividing a company's total assets by total liabilities. The debt ratio helps an investor to know the percentage of the company's assets that are funded by incurring debt. Number 3. The gross margin test. When looking for a DCA company to work for, we are looking for a consistent long-term gross profit margin. A high gross profit margin is what creates a DCA company. This allows the company to survive a competitive environment, also to safely fund salaries and bonuses during challenging times. A good margin will vary considerably by industry, but as a general rule of thumb, a 10% net profit margin is considered average, a 20% margin is considered high, while a 5% margin is low. If you find yourself working for a company with poor inherent economics, it is better to get out now than wait for a change. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next, successful delegation secrets.